Class 5 subject first language English marks 40 time 2 hours assessment March 2024. I will show you the answers next. First one, the two sets of rhyming words in the given set of words are four options are there. In this, the right answer is B. Wall, fall, art, part. Second one, we bought dash necklace from dash shop besides our house. Answer is we bought an necklace from a shop besides our house. Fill in the blank with suitable articles. Answer is an A. Third one, the plural form of the word branch is branches. Options are there. Answer is A. Branches. Fourth one, Shankar visits the science lab. The verb in the given sentence is. Four options are there in this. Answer is C. Visits. Fifth one, the bus leaves dash 8 a.m. Fill in the blank with a suitable preposition. Options are there. Answer is D. At. The bus leaves at 8 a.m. Sixth one, they dash keep their pet animals in a separate place. Choose the correct past form of the word given in the bracket. Options are there. Four options. In this, answer is C. Kept. They kept their pet animals in a separate place. Seventh one, the correct noun form of the word admire is admires. Answer is A. Admires. Write the suitable homophones related to the given pictures. Answer is A. Hair. Hair. H-A-I-R hair. H-A-R-E hair. Ninth one. The color of a fresh leaf is green. Answer is D. Green. And question number 10. To move from one country to another country to reside there, the right word that means is so. Answer is B. Migrate. Second main 11th question. Write the missing letters with the help of the given clue. A building where soldiers live. B-A-R-R-A-C-K. Barrack. Question number 12. They dash seated with the other guests. They is seated with the other guests. Correct the error in the given sentence and rewrite it. Answer. They were seated with the other guests. Question number 13. Write the other degrees of comparison for the following word. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Bold, bolder, boldest. Question number 14. Read the given rhyme. Put a finger on your cheek, then put it on your nose, Turn your finger round and point them to your toes. The frequently repeated word in the rhyme is answer is your. Question number 15. Frame meaningful sentences of your own using the given words. A. Party. Answer is we celebrate the party on New Year. B. Complete. Answer is I want to complete my homework. Question number 16. Rearrange the jumbled words to form a meaningful sentence. A. Car. Father purchased a my new. Answer is my father purchased a new car. B. More popular cricket is hockey than. Answer is cricket is more popular than hockey. Question number 17. Make 4 words from the given word. Distinguish. Answer in sit seat us as sun sun tin dish. Choose the suitable nouns for the following objectives given in the bracket. Bright light, busy street, loud noise. Question number 19. Draw the picture of your favorite vehicle, color it and write sentences about it. Answer car. Car is my favorite vehicle. Happily my family want to go long drive. We can reach fast through car than bus. Question number 20. Read the given poem and answer the following questions in a word or phrase or sentence each. It's crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. A. What does the child not like? The child don't like the noises. Why does the child like the sky? Because there is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and he too. C. Identify the word that gives the meaning more in the given poem. Answer is plenty. 21. Question number 21. Read the given passage and answer the following questions in a sentence each. It's a rainy day at my house. It's so rainy and windy. The pretty falling leaves are flying in my yard. They are beautiful. They are orange, red, brown, and gold. They are falling off the trees in my yard. I like to watch the leaves fly. The rain and wind make the leaves come off the trees. Soon the leaves will be all on the ground. I can help my mom and dad rake them up. I like this time of the year. Question number 1. Where was the boy while watching the leaves? The boy was in his house while watching the leaves. B. What colored leaves did the boy see? Answer. They are orange, red, brown and gold. C. How can the boy help his mom and dad? Soon the leaves will be all on the ground. The boy can help his mom and dad rake them up. D. Why did the leaves fall off the tree? Answer. The rain and wind make the leaves come off the trees. Question number 22. Write 4 to 5 sentences you like about your friend. Answer is, my friend have helping nature. My friend was hard worker. My friend always with me when I am sad. My friend was cute. Question number 23. Write the meaningful story with the help of the pictures and clues given. Clues. The crow, piece of bread, sitting, branch of tree, fox, saw, bread, praised, crow, sing melodiously, crow sang, bread fell, fox grabbed, ran away. Once in a jungle, the crow was sitting on branch of a tree. It has a piece of bread in its mouth. A fox saw the crow and it was very cunning. He made an idea and praised the crow that you are good singer. Sing melodiously. I like your singing. The crow was happy and sang. The bread fell from crow's mouth. And then the cunning fox take it take the piece of bread and ran away. The foolish crow was sadly sitting and seeing.